Today I am going to create a new simple login page in HTML. Let's get started. Let's erase this old things. Okay, I'm going to change my title as login, and then inside here I'm going to create body. Okay, and then and also I have to add this head. Okay, head. Okay, now it's correct. And then now I need to add meta tags. meta, meta, and I have to mention the character set. That is character set. That one is character set is UTF 8. Okay, UTF 8, and then I have to close this. Just close this. And then here inside the body I am going to say in h1 size, heading size, here I will call it as login box. Okay, before that I am going to create division because I am sending it to box, so that's why I will give division of class, and I'm going to give it name as login box, and then I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to cut this, and here I'm going to paste this, and here inside h1 I'm going to type my login. Okay, and then I'm going to save this and refresh this thing. Okay, inside my login box there is a header. Okay, and in style sheet I'm going to erase all this. I don't need this. Okay, and then here again I'm going to create one division, and I'm gonna name it as the class equals I'll call it as text box. Okay, and then I'm going to put some input. Okay, that's why I am calling input type, that is text. Okay, text, and then I will name a placeholder. Okay, a placeholder is equal to username. It will show inside the box username. Okay, and then name it should get from the user, that's why is equal to double quotes. Okay, it's empty, and value is equal to double quotes, and then I'm going to close this. Okay, here it's in the division, and same divisions I'm going to copy this and then enter. I'm going to paste here. Okay, I'm going to paste here, and then this text box will be for my password, and PASSWORD password, placeholder name also it as password. Okay, and then name and value will be same, and then the division will be closed, and below this I'm going to create a new input for submit button input. Okay, class input class is equal to button btn button, and then type is equal to button, and then name is equal to empty, and then value I should mention it as sign. Okay, double quotes SIGN sign, and then I'm going to close this. Okay, let's refresh this page. What's wrong with it? Let's save this and save this also. Okay, now you can see the login and username and password. Next I'm going to come to the style sheet. Here I'm going to add a body. Okay, body, and then inside the body I'm going to put margin 0, padding will be 0, and then font family I will use monospace. Okay, it's your wish, and I will put some background. Okay, background I will call my URL. Okay, this picture, okay, this one, and then I'm going to put it as no repeat. Okay, oh, no repeat, and then semicolon. Below that I am going to make it as background size to cover. Background size, where it is background size, okay, to cover, and then for the login box, I'm going to mention the width, and width will be 280, and then position will be absolute. Okay, and then top I will place 50%. Okay, and it's in 50%, it is in the middle. And also from the left side also I will be placing it 50%. Okay, it came to middle. And then I will give the transform value to transform. I should translate it. Where is the translate one? Translate. Okay, this will be minus 50%, minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Okay, now it's in the middle. And then if you need, can add the color. Okay, it's not visible. Color, let's add blue for now. Okay, and then for this login box, again as mentioned in the class name, I named it as login box. For the login box, I'm going to create width of 100%. Overflow will be hidden. And then font size, I will give font size as 20 pixels. And then okay, sorry, I should not float this. Okay, oh, again I took the login box, sorry. Inside this login box I should mention h1 here. Now it's okay. And then I'm going to erase this. Okay, now I should float it from the left. Okay, float it from the left. And then now I can mention the font size. Okay, font size 40 pixels. And then border, bottom border, it will be 6 px. Solid, I think I can give color blue, green, whichever color I can give, light green. Okay, I'm giving light green. And then light green, okay, semicolon. And then bottom margin will be 50 px. Okay, and then add the padding thing. Padding will be 13 px. Okay, and 0, no, it's in the middle. Okay, and then for the text box, dot text box, width will be 100%. Overflow will be hidden. And then font size will be 20 px, and then it should be padding will be 8 px and 0. Okay, and then margin will be margin will be 8 px. Okay, and 0. Okay, now it's better. Okay, border bottom 1 px, solid green I will give. Okay, then for the text box, I text box I will be width of 26, and then it should float from the left, and then text align should be in the center. For the text box input, border, border should be there, border is equal to none, and then outline also none, and then background also none. Color should be white, so I will give some aqua, and then font size 18 px, semicolon, and then width I will give 80. Okay. And then float from the left side, then margin will be 0 and 10 px. Okay, and then last for the button dot btn. Okay, width will be width will be 100%. Okay, and then background is none. No background. Okay, and then I should add the border of 2 pixels. Okay, that should be solid green. Okay, and then font size will be as you wish, make it 18, and then cursor pointer. Okay, check here. This will be username, this will be password. Oh, I should save this. Save, refresh. Okay, one thing I'm going to change is this one, login box. This should be 50%. Okay, try to align center. Okay, it's not. Align. It's okay. The last change, it will be, I'm changing this color to green. Okay, I'm just change this color to green. Not good. Green. It's not light green. Okay, let it be light green. And then I'm going to change this picture. Which picture? Okay, some good picture I need. Let's add this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and just bring inside my web folder and then paste it here, and I will rename it. Just rename pick 43. Okay, whatever, close, and getting back here and just adding here pick 3. Okay, now it's better, it's looking better. Okay, I mentioned it as cover. Okay, white background is the best, I think. Can we put it as cover only? Semicolon. And this will be our login page, guys.